launched in the year 2014 by the present government, and the target was to increase manufacturing contribution to India's GDP by 16 to 25%. And it was aimed, as I said, to create 100 million jobs by 2022. Though 2022 has passed, there was a problem. What was that problem that we were not able to create these jobs? Yeah, exactly. So pandemic was the main reason. It hit not only India, it hit the entire world. So pandemic was one of the main reasons that we were not able to really meet the targets which were kept in mind. So slowly and steadily we are improving on that, and it's going to take little time. By another few years, I think we would be able to create these many jobs. What is the vision of our Prime Minister for our country? That our Prime Minister's vision is by 2047 we will be a developed nation, or we want to be a developed nation. That is the aim. The first time our country started thinking in terms of long-term planning. Earlier we didn't have that much. We used to only rely on 5 years program, and then we used to those 5-year programs that were made earlier also was because of the elections that we have every 5 years. So the next essential thing is we should have a stable government, and a government which understands what has been planned and how they should proceed further. All right. Next is, as of 2020, the initiative 240,000 investment proposals which have attracted 75. As I said, invest in India. So all these investments, there are a number of investments that I was talking about is almost to the tune of 240,000, and it has attracted $75 billion also in terms of foreign direct investment. Now, when we talk of foreign direct investment, what are the advantages of foreign direct investment, please? When you get the foreign direct investment, you don't have to spend money. Then they buy the raw material which is required for that particular thing from our country. Then next important thing is they're going to take employment, they're going to include your people. Innovations, what are innovations? A country's innovations are basically known from its patents that it is registering. So earlier in our country, the figures were in thousands only. Today it is in lakhs. Okay. Then next important thing is when you have to, as I said, attracting FDIs to come to India. So when the company comes here, they're going to take manpower from you. So what kind of manpower should it be? SE? It has to be skilled. So India, the Prime Minister started off with a program called Skill India program. Though we talk of various products that we're talking about, you should understand that as far as mobile sector is concerned today, we are manufacturing more than 19.4 lakh crore pieces. हम लोग ये mobiles बना. We are exporting. We are almost the second largest country which is manufacturing mobiles. Next is automobiles. Yeah, हम लोग अभी एक time था before prior to 2014, we were just making almost 7 lakh vehicles per year. Today we are making almost 22 lakhs, and out of that 6 lakhs are being exported. Our cars and scooters, motorcycles are being exported. We should be very proud of that. Yeah. Next is textile industry. You know that textile, our fabric is very good. It is the best fabric that we make here, including various types. We are also making items for the defense, like tentage, winter clothing. We are making vests, bulletproof vests. और उसको कौन खरीद रहा है? Foreign countries, America, France is also put in a demand. आपके Southeast Asian countries, they are wanting our bulletproof jackets. Next is defense equipment to the tune of almost $2.63 billion of exports we have done so far. Electronic items. Electronic items would be, as I said, mobile to high hai, uske alawa number of things. We are also going in for chip industry. We are also going to be making chips. You know that semiconductors, conductors. We have tied up with Taiwan. We have tied up with various other countries. Yeah. So you must understand that we are going to be a big manufacturing hub.